Hello. Today we are going to talk about the word absolutely and its synonyms or the words which are related to this word. So just repeat. Certainly. Indeed. Of course. Definitely. Quiet. Positively. Naturally. Unquestionably. By all means. Undoubtedly. Exactly. Precisely. Conclusively. Manifestly. Supremely. Unrestrictedly. Fully. Unconditionally. Totally. Utterly. Completely. Without check. Perfectly. Entirely. Wholly. Thoroughly. Unreservedly. Unequivocally. Without question. Categorically. Now, let me give you an example for each word. The food was absolutely delicious. Their team certainly deserved to win. For a 4-year-old, her vocabulary is very good indeed. Can you help me? Of course. This book is definitely worth reading. Are you quite sure you want to go? Our waiter was positively rude. Naturally, he was very disappointed. She's unquestionably the best person for the job. I have a copy of the report on my desk. By all means, have a look at it. Stress has undoubtedly contributed to her illness. What exactly seems to be the problem? This is precisely the kind of thing I was hoping to avoid. Tests have proved conclusively that the drugs are effective. The government has manifestly failed to raise educational standards despite its commitment to do so. The coach is supremely confident that his team will reach the finals. Finally, in 1838, the right of lecturing was restored to him unrestrictedly. Have you fully recovered from your illness? We must immediately and unconditionally cut all contacts with them. I totally agree with you. She was utterly devastated when her husband died. He'd completely changed. I didn't recognize him. Without check, his exam paper seemed fully correct. I want to make it perfectly clear that I have no intention of selling this company. I admit it was entirely my fault. I wasn't wholly convinced by her explanation. I thoroughly enjoyed the performance. We unreservedly apologize to our readers for the mistake. He unequivocally declared his innocence. He was the best player without question. She categorically stated that she is against the death penalty.